It's opening night, and it's a beautiful thing. Hi, everybody. James Cebulski and Ray Ferraro. Welcome back as we are set to call another season here on EA Sports. The crowd is alive. There's an energy in the barn, and this season is ready to get underway. The Avalanche have established possession here early in this one as they win the draw. Let's it go. Oh, that goes awry.
And they create the scoring chance, and it's a good one, but they don't get it on the net.
And makes the save. Stops them again.
The pressure's unbelievable on the defensive team here. They just want to get it and shoot it down the ice, relieve it if they can.
Fires one on goal. Made the stop on the play.
He plays the game at his own pace. Everybody else is going around 1,000,000 miles an hour. It seems like he just knows what he wants to do, and he's skilled enough to execute it. What a good play on the net.
Colorado's got the puck along the wall. And that one's turned away. Jones takes the puck. Moves it quickly over to Taves. The Avalanche have the puck in the defensive zone. Sends it in deep. The Blackhawks gain control of the puck. Chicago's got the puck in their own end. They go on the attack through center. Chicago's got the puck against the wall. The Avalanche have taken possession along the wall. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Throws it in. The Blackhawks move the puck in the defensive zone. Here's a short pass to Gustafsson.
Players tell us all the time that they don't know where the next milestone is. That's garbage. They know when they're one goal away from a plateau. I think he's looking for it here.
Too many bodies in the way. Buries it for the goal.
I always wanted to have a fast start. It's funny, you go no goals in 3 games in the middle of the year, nobody cares. At the start, it really matters.
The Blackhawks are now in the enviable position of playing in front.
Once you get in front, you can maybe dictate a little bit about the way the game will be played, and that's a good place to be.
Quick pass to Helm. And he takes a shot. That's turned away with the pad by Fleury. The Blackhawks are on the attack. Quick feed to Kubalik. And that's stopped by Francouz.
Kubalik's got the puck now. He had the go-ahead goal earlier.
Move to the middle. Oh, he comes up with a stop as he got the glove on it.
Yeah, I hate it when I miss chances like this, James. You don't get many that are this quality. You want to put them away because you don't know when the next one's going to come.
Past the halfway mark of this period, the Blackhawks have taken a 1-0 lead. And now it's grabbed by Johnson. Moves the puck. The Blackhawks have it against the wall. Glove save!
That's an important stop for the goalie. Not only does he make the save, but because he catches it, he kills the play.
Teams are ready to go, and we're about moments away from puck drop. Chicago's won the faceoff. And that's blocked! Comes up with the stop. Francouz opts to hang on to it to get a whistle.
You start to wear down a little bit, you need your goalie to help you out.
Here in the late goings of the period, Chicago's ahead 1-0. The Blackhawks win it. Scores! That's back-to-back, Ray.
Well, the game has changed. Those 2 goals here really have changed the outlook.
The Blackhawks win it. Dished on over to Nylander. Colorado's got it in their own zone. The Avs take it across the blue line. Centering pass. He was right there, and they can't convert. Fleury's going to give everyone a chance to breathe and hang on to the puck. Johnson's won a big draw in their own end. The Avs have it against the wall. Moves it to Godet. Takes the feed. First period almost in the books here, nearing the final 60 seconds. The Avs take it along the wall. Centering pass! Puts him in front. And with the buzzer, that puts a bow on the first 20 minutes of play. We've got lots more still to come. Second period action next, right here. Well, the first 20 is in the books. Let's see what this second period offers. Here we go, middle frame now underway as the puck drops. Well, we've got over 20 minutes played thus far. Ray, how have you seen things?
The Avs are going to have to find a possession game that looks a lot different than that first period. They chased it around, and as a result, they're chasing the game.
Manages to hang on. Colorado's got it from behind the net. Moves it quickly over to Girard. They've got some momentum here. Wrist shot from the slot. Oh, he got a piece of it to keep it out.
Dead center, excellent save.
Chicago's looking to break out. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Taves. The Avs scoop it up along the boards. From along the walls, they're gaining momentum. Sends a pass over. That's kicked away with the pad by Fleury. Moves it around along the half wall. Here's a short pass to Kubalik. And that's turned aside. From one point man to another. Quick pass to Taves. Nice zone entry from the right side. Fires the one-timer. And he comes up with a huge stop. Quick feed to Johnson. Big time stop by Fleury. Through center along the wing. Colorado's got a hold of it along the wall. Through center. Moves it to Taves. Puts it on net. And the puck dies with the trapper save.
Fleury's goaltending at one end and the offensive output at the other has made for a good night.
Past the midway mark in this period. The Blackhawks are currently sitting in the driver's seat leading 2-0. Colorado's got it in the offensive zone. Oh, what a great save by Fleury. Moves it quickly over to Comper. Slides it back to the blue line. And they won't connect on that one. Colorado's got a hold of it against the wall. They gain the offensive zone from the middle. Here's a short pass to Comper. And that's a great read to force the turnover. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. That's sent in deep, and the forwards will change. Quick pass to Kadri. Back to the point it goes. Shot, and there's a great save by Fleury. Poked away in the offensive zone by Helm. Chicago's got the puck along the boards. Sends it deep inside the offensive zone. Great pressure with the stick. There's the whistle as things will slow down here for a moment.
Always a good play if you're not sure what's going on. Freeze the puck.
Getting into the later stages of this period, the Blackhawks lead this one 2-0. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Francouz makes the save and hangs on for a stoppage of play. Puck possession so critical. Another face-off coming up here. Chicago's got it, and they're on the attack. Taken by Borgstrom. Oh, and another save! In front, and a stoppage on the play as the goaltender covers things up. Second period nearly in the books here. And that one's broken up. Takes the pass as he banks it off the wall. And with that, 2 periods now in the books. Been a great night of hockey here on EA Sports, and we got the third period coming at you in moments. Teams are lined up, and they are ready to get this third period underway. Taves has won the draw here in the neutral zone. Chicago's got the puck in the defensive end. And they cough it up at center.
Colorado's done a great job without the puck. Nice pick-off there. This game's close because of it.
Sends it over. Picked off. Feeds it up ahead. The Blackhawks have a hold of it in the defensive zone. Quick feed to DeBrincat. Moves it around along the half wall. Into the corner of the attacking area. Pokes it away in his own end. Looking to set up offensively. Moves it to McKinnon. Here's a shot. Comes up with the stop. Slides the puck over. The Blackhawks are in transition. Whacks it into the offensive zone. The Avalanche have taken possession along the wall. Grabs it with the glove.
He's on it. Good chance, but he's able to glove that shot.
Plenty of playing time left in this frame. 2-0 is the score. Ducks won the draw here in the offensive zone. Oh, it's denied by Francouz.
But he came out and challenged him. Good save.
They score! What a shot!
That's a great sound when it pings off the post and then you don't hear anything except you see the goal light. What a shot.
The Blackhawks seem to be playing right to the final whistle here tonight, Ray.
Yeah, everybody's having fun. Everybody's getting points, and they are steamrolling their opponent.
And play resumes as the puck is dropped. The Avs carry it along the wall. Off a stick, and they can't connect. The Blackhawks will play it in their own end. Takes the cross-ice pass. From center, they get into the attacking area. Poked away by Taves.
The Blackhawks have really played their systems well tonight. They've layered defensively, not given their opponents many chances at all.
Receives the pass. Moves it quickly over to Kadri. They go on the attack from the left side. Delayed penalty coming up here. There's the whistle, and here's the call. The Blackhawks are off to the box. Interference the call. Colorado's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
Well, the power play gets to dust itself off here. First opportunity tonight.
Chicago's won the face-off deep in their own end. Turns it away.
Quick hands. Not only does he get a glove on it, he catches it, which is hard to do.
The Avs gain possession. And now he moves it to Landeskog. Oh, and that doesn't go well. And that's broken up in the defensive zone by Johnson. And that goes off course.
He just wants to get a stick on it. He does that, but there's no control of the direction.
And he uses his reach to disrupt the play. And they get the puck out of the defensive end. The Avs will play the puck from behind the net. Here they come inside the neutral zone. And a stick breaks that up. And that's poked away by DeHaan. Here's a short pass to Rantanen. And they can't convert to the play. Gets it out of his own end. The Avs have it behind the net. Tries to feed it over to Landeskog. Great read by the goalie as he pokes it away with a stick. Here they come on the attack. Puck scooped up by Rantanen. Quick shot. That goes off a twig. Tries to the crease. And the goaltender comes up with a piece of it to keep it out of the net.
He's going to go back to the bench and want to look at that one again. He had enough time to really make a good shot. I don't think he quite got it where he wanted to.
Colorado's got the puck behind the net. Kubalik's teammates kill off the penalty.
Well, they can't do much more than that, James. That was a pretty terrific power play. Lots of chances, they just couldn't find one to cash in.
Along the right side into the offensive zone. Broken up with the stick in the defensive zone. Colorado's got a hold of the puck now. And now it's to Kadri. Takes the pass. With possession along the wall. And there's the save. Fleury's got it, and he'll elect for the whistle.
Jumped on it pretty quickly there, and like everything else tonight, he's really looked in control. He's had an excellent game.
Here in the later stages of this period, Chicago's on easy street right now. They lead at 3-0. The Blackhawks get a hold of the puck in their own end. And now it's grabbed by Doc. Through the middle of the ice, they enter the attacking zone. Nichushkin's got it on the offensive end. Chicago's got possession of the puck. From the right wing, he moves it to the middle. Takes the shot off a stick. Great reach by Doc. Puck picked up by Johnson. Moves it over to Jost. The Avs take it along the wall. He almost lost it for a second there, but regains control of the puck. Colorado's got the puck. Poked away at center by DeBrincat. The Avalanche have it on the attack. Oh, tremendous athletic reflexes there with the toe stop.
He looks pretty happy with the goal right there. He's got 49 career goals now.
Fleury's not afraid of throwing out his paddle for a big poke check to stop shooters in their tracks, guys. That's his all-or-nothing zone ability, and even though it's a risky play, it can be very effective.
Puck grab by Murphy. Quick pass to Taves. And they send it right back to him. And this one's all over.
Doesn't matter when the shutout is, a goalie always feels great about himself if he can blank the other team. Played very well tonight.
No shortage of tire pumping from his teammates tonight. In the meantime and in between time, he's Ray, I'm James. Good night.